Hello everyone, I will introduce the most popular features of iofod. Here you can design anything you need for the application interface with drag and drop without writing even a single line of code. You can zoom the editing area with the mouse wheel to organize the application. It's wonderful to turn a prototype into a working application. Once you've finished, you can test it by clicking the preview button to check for correct features and see if the application performs as expected. You can generate applications that run on all major platforms, truly building once and running everywhere, where you are able to generate websites with more freedom, customize templates, and even generate rules. Likewise, generating iOS and Android apps is easy, and the official Flutter project templates provided with iofod are sufficient for most native app needs, bringing more than 10x efficiency gains to app development. A project set to public, the system generates a home page that anyone can view, and you can learn from other people's projects. There are more unsaid features waiting for you to discover. I believe you will find the features you want or the applications through the official website. You can subscribe to my channel to see my updates. I'm waiting for you at iofod and look forward to creating amazing apps with you. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.